What is up, everybody? Back at it again. 3SGE 280Z build. Casey just bought a mini truck. We don't have a lot of money right now because of Christmas, so we can't buy a lot of stuff, and a lot of the stuff that we need to do on this car, we actually have to buy. So we were gonna pull the trans, and we were gonna do the rear main, and we were gonna get that bolted in for good, but we couldn't find a fucking pilot bearing. Yep, you can only get them from Japan. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the stuff that we can do today. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do today is we are going to throw the front end on the car. Yeah. So we're gonna take the fenders, we're gonna put them on the car, we're gonna mount the headlight buckets because we're gonna have some problems mounting the headlight buckets because some of the bolts are broken off. So we're gonna guess what else we're doing. We're gonna try to put the grill on too. Yes. That's also not made to go on here. Yes. So we're gonna do some extra stuff for that as usual. Yeah, we got a 240Z grill. This is a 280, so the mounting brackets are a little bit different, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of fabrication there. However, it's gonna look pretty cool with the front end on here. It's gonna look more like a car, so we're pretty excited. Look at this excited face. Guys, we're back here on Initial Dweebs. So we're putting the front end on. We have one headlight bucket, one fender on, other fender on, and now we have to do a little work on this because, as you can see here, we have one stud here, like an eighth of a stud there, and no stud over here. Yes, the studs basically broke off when we were taking the headlight buckets off. Because everything's rusty. Yeah, they snapped off. So what we're going to do is drill holes, and we're going to use through bolts. Yeah. So we're going to do that, and we're going to show you while we do it. Fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully we don't ruin these headlight buckets. We probably will. Alright guys, we have the headlight buckets on. They look really cool. The car is looking like a car. It's pretty crazy looking to see it like this. And also, you guys might notice that the engine looks like it's like kind of tilted this way. It's not. The valve cover's just sitting on there and it's not bolted down. And we ran some lines to the catch can that go under there that will kind of get pushed down when we bolt it down. But right now, we are going to start working on putting these really cool beauty bolts that we got with the rose gold washers. They look like this. They look pretty cool. We're gonna put those all the way down the sides of the fenders and anywhere else we can put them. Oh, we got this professional Chicago Electric box of beauty bolts for my Z. Yes. So this is one thing we got to actually salvage from the old build when we were doing the L28 and stuff. So we're actually gonna, those are all the bolts that we're gonna replace here in the engine bay, and it's gonna make it look a little bit nicer, and we're not gonna have to reuse all these shitty, rusty, stripped out bolts. So we got some oil pan fasteners, can't use those. We got some hood hinges and hood latch, we can only use half of those. We got some valve cover fasteners, not using those. We could find a place for those. I don't know what the fuck these are. Not using those. I just cleaned that floor. Alright guys, all of the beauty bolts are in and the fenders are mounted, the headlight buckets are mounted. They look really cool. I'm going to try to get you guys a view of this, but it's going to be kind of difficult because this camera. That's what they look like. They look pretty cool. They actually go pretty well with the paint schemes. Alright guys, back at it again next day. We are going to be putting the rest of this front end on. And also, it's flooding in here. Look at this.
Oh yeah!
Look at this, guys. Yes, so basically we came in here and it's like raining, like record rainfalls. There's flood
warnings everywhere.
Yeah, flood warnings everywhere, and it's just, I think the snow really did it to the roof, but it's leaking everywhere. It actually leaked, so I came over here today with the intentions on working on my 8.6 bay, but it had been leaking into my bay, and it's all bare metal, and now it's fucking rust. So I'm gonna have to like wire wheel the surface rust back off before I can lay filler, but I can't lay filler right now because it's so rusty. So I'm gonna wait until it dries out. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're going to be putting this front air dam on and then working on getting the grill on and other things. Alright guys, we got the front valance on. It looks super good. We went to Ace Hardware. We got some really cool bolts for it. It looks really good. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to start working on putting this 240Z grill on. It's a little bit different than the 280Z, and we're going to have to make some brackets to make it work. We bought some L brackets that we're going to have to modify, but we're basically going to like these brackets right here for the stock 280 grill. We're going to run some L brackets off of it, and then it's going to bolt into this grill, and we're going to position it and make it look super pretty. But yeah, I mean, it's crazy right now because it's really starting to look like a car, which is like, you know, we've been working on this thing for almost 2 years now, and look how crazy it looks. It's insane. All right, guys, well, we're excited, and we're going to start slapping this grill on. Alright everybody, we got the grill mounted on there. It looks really cool. All we had to do was make these little L brackets right here. As you can see, we just took a little L bracket, bent it up a little bit, and then bolted it from here to the bumper, or from here to the headlight bucket, just like so. And then we put a little self-tapper right into the air dam from this hole that was already on the grill. And it is super sturdy. It doesn't move at all. It looks really cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the headlight covers on. Because we're not cutting buffing the headlight buckets because we don't need to, we might as well just install them. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to put the headlight covers on there, and it's going to look really cool. It looks so cool, guys. Look at this.
And then we might even get to trying to put the corner lights in for shits and giggles. Because, like Justin was pointing out earlier, it looks kind of weird without them. So
yeah, these 240Z corner lights really make the front of this car. Go ahead, slap one on there, dude. Show us. So like that, that's what it looks like.
Oh,
it looks so much better with that in there. So we're gonna have to, the bolts on those are snapped off, the studs. So we're gonna have to like make our own studs.
I got them for a deal like a million years ago, so we're gonna have to make use of them.
Hell yeah.
Because they're fucking like real expensive now.
Real
expensive, like $600, $700, $800 for a pair now.
Fuck that.
Okay, I haven't actually checked into it, but like at the time, like back then, before parts got like way more expensive for these, they were like $300-400 for a pair. So I'm guessing they're at least like $400 or $500.
Yeah.
And I got them for like $150 or $200. So.
Hell yeah, guys. All right, well, we're going to start installing the headlight buckets, and then we're going to move to the corner lights. Check this out, guys. Look at this. It looks so freaking cool. We put the wheel on just to let you guys know what it's going to kind of look like. There's the beams, there's the wheel. It all ties in so well, and all the color schemes just look so good together. But yeah, it's crazy what it looks like right now.
Alright guys, so we got some stuff done. Not the stuff that we thought we were going to get done, but we got some other stuff done anyway. So, headlight buckets, headlight covers, grill, and front air dam are all on there. We didn't get to the turn signals today because we just don't have the time, and it's going to take a little more modification than we wanted. But, here we are.
Yeah, it looks freaking crazy, guys. Look at this thing. Like Wonga Midnight Machine. The ITBs look crazy. It's amazing. Like, I can't wait to get this thing on the road.
Soon enough.
Alright, guys, well, like and subscribe, and
Check out our merch!
stay tuned for next week.